local dialect, it's mayet nga temprano panindok ka na. There's
Haba.
anybody wants to pronounce correctly, we will give you special food at the buffet later.
Wow.
Again, mayet nga temprano panindok na siya because that destination po, especially when you go to the north area ng Palawan, we have El Nido and Coron. Fort Bartos din po, and recently po last year, we opened na po the southern part of Palawan. Unahin niyo po ang Balabac, sir.
Oh, pala pa.
Balabac po, that's a perfect po to visit Balabac summertime. So,
Nandito na tayo sa Puerto Princesa at i-explore natin ang Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour. Tara, sama kayo!
Sabang is a peaceful community-led eco tour that takes you through a lush century-old mangrove forest, often added as a side trip to the underground river tour. It offers a slow-paced, educational look at one of Palawan's most vital ecosystems.
Hello, today we will visit the mangroves area of Sabang Puerto Princesa. At katatapos lang namin kumain ng saba. Ngayon naman sa Sabang.
Good morning, isang napagandang umaga po sa ating lahat at welcome po kayo ma'am sa amin sa Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour. Kahit saan po makarating na malalaking puno yung mga bakawan tree natin. Tutulip sir po ma'am, yan yung ating number 1 po sa protection kapag panahon po ng tag-ulan.
Ang ano niya, nabuhay na po.
Busog siya sir.
Busog nga siya.
Sa stomach pa lang sir. Oh.
Ayan, may pang 20 pa. Isa'y bayawak. Yeah, bayawak.
Bawak.
Yeah.
Bayawak. It's not
Mag-anak niya anak si
It's
Sariwakwak.
a reptile.
Ito ma'am sir, oh, may snakes tayo makikita. Ito. Ano ma'am sir, ang kulay ha, black and yellow. Pa-slide no pero para makita nila. Yan ma'am po sa taas. Ito po. Oh.
Ay, yun.
Yes,
Up there. Oh, there's a snake up there, JC. You see? Oh, it's green and...
Ano ma'am, black. Black and yellow po.
Black and yellow.
Opo, black and yellow.
Dito, Mikey, dapat.
Dito natin yun po ma'am, nocturnal ilog.
Paggabi lang siya gising.
Yes sir.
So, kahit tawakan mo siya, hindi magigising ganun.
Usually wala naman sure pa kami pinapayagang dito na para
Tumawag,
maghawak
oo.
doon. Kasi may venom din yun sir.
Okay, delikado.
May venom siya sir kasi colorful po ang kulay.
Mm.
So, nakikita natin sir na mga bumagsak pong mga mangrove tree na malalaking punot na matatanda na. Ito po naman sir, isa po sa kapinsalaan po ng bagyo. Yes sir, this big lizard oh, there oh. Nakita mo baby boy? Ay, ang laki ng kanyang tiyan sir oh.
Ayun, you see on the soil.
Big.
Yeah, you see over there.
Moving na po siya sa water.
Oh.
Tama, JC, yes?
That's so big.
Halina o hirang sa barangay Kabayugan, ating masilangan yan, naiibang bakawan, tayo ay namang kapatungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, hindi nagpakita ang happy. Catch keeper sir sa kasangan.
Kampasakan pala tawag ko.
Kailangan na sa location. Bigyan na lang din yan sir.
Okay. Siya na lang sila kalaki.
Opo, iba rin yun sir yung
Pero nakakain sila.
hindi sir kasi hindi na sir
Ay, tambasakan.
Daddy,
Survival yan eh.
ay crap! Itong pasakan.
Tinagpunan daw ng tao siya.
Ito? Mahilig po ma'am kayo kung makinig
Ay,
ng-
ayun!
Yeah, tama
Isda
sa
yan. Nakakaya
JC,
sila.
look at the fishes. They are jumping.
No, buhay po ma'am siya. Pwede sa land, pwede sa water.
See, they're jumping fish.
Mud skipper.
See them?
Merong ano, nabibili.
Yes.
Ayun,
Yeah. Galing, no?
Thank you po.
Thank you po. We're done with the brief mangrove tour.
Yeah.
Sobrang
At tapos
relaxing.
na po kami sa mangrove ni Ate.
Sobrang relaxing dito sa tabing dagat, ang hangin at ang sarap tumambay ng matagal na oras. Pero nasa tour kami, kaya naman saglit lang yung time ng pagtambay namin dyan. And we're just killing the time before lunch at pupunta na kami sa underground river ng Puerto Princesa. At habang nandyan kami sa puno, ini-imagine namin na ang sarap sana may duyan dun sa puno. Tapos nakahiga ka at pinapanood mo yung alon sa dagat habang naririnig mo yung relaxing na paghampas ng tubig.
I'm holding it tight. Say hi.
Hi!
Before we go dun sa underground Puerto Princesa River na kasama sa Seven Wonders of the World, kakain muna tayo ng lunch dito sa restaurant. Let's go! So buffet tayo ngayong lunch. Let's get our food! Sasakay na tayo ng boat at pupunta na tayo sa underground river ng Puerto Princesa. Let's go! Iwan ko na to dito. Good morning! Pwede iiwan na to dito. Come here, mommy's here. Love. Ang ganda, no? Sobrang relaxing, no? We are going inside the river now. I wonder how beautiful it is. Ay, we'll get helmet first. We'll get helmet.
Meron tayong toilet. Kung gusto mo mas toilet.
Yeah. I hear you. Gusto mo yung may lock gas? Ibang bata.
So let's go.
Hi.
I'll fix it.
Let's go.
Go.
Hindi ko
Ilang minutes to ate?
ready to go to the river.
Ano po, less than 2 minutes and 1 hour.
Less than 2 minutes walk.
Ay, may bayawak oh.
Pwede mag-picture na.
May bayawak. Carry that. Pag may tao na, mabilis na.
Oh, you see the big lizard there to daddy? There. There, oh, see, look, there's a big lizard. In front of you. Kung mapapansin niyo, halos konti lang ang Pilipino dito. Lalo na sa El Nido, sobrang daming foreigner. Parang kaming Pilipino yung foreigner doon. Maski dito, halos lahat foreigner pa. Ay, Gracie, look, there's a monkey.
Kaya ni Maria.
Beautiful, Josie. It's beautiful here.
Glenn?
Naghihintay na lang kami sa bangkang sasakyan namin at makakapasok na kami finally sa Underground River.
Welcome to Puerto Princesa Underground River!
Deep within the St. Paul mountain range on the western coast of Palawan, Philippines, lies a world hidden from the sun. This is the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the 7 wonders of nature, this park protects one of the most unique ecosystems on the planet, a complete mountain-to-sea environment that spans from lush old-growth forest to the depths of a limestone cavern. As we approach the mouth of the cave, the temperature drops and the outside world fades. We are entering an 8.2-kilometer-long underground river. While the entire system is vast, only about 4.3 kilometers are navigable by boat. What makes this river a global phenomenon is that its connection to the ocean. The lower half of the river is brackish, a mix of salt and fresh water, meaning it is subject to the daily rhythm of the tides, even deep inside the mountain. Inside, nature has spent millions of years sculpting a masterpiece. The cave is famous of its massive chambers, like the Italian's chamber, one of the largest cave rooms in the world, and the cathedral, where towering stalactites and stalagmites take on the forms of religious icons, animals, and even fruits. But it's not just stone and water. Look up, and you'll see thousands of bats and swiftlets that call these shadows home. In 2010, geologists even discovered a second floor to the river, featuring hidden waterfalls tucked away in the upper reaches of the cave. As we navigate deeper, the limestone formations, known as speleothems, begin to take on eerily familiar shapes. The cave is famous for its anthropomorphic and organic silhouettes created by minerals dripping slowly over thousands of years. In the section known as the cathedral, the formations are grand and vertical. You'll see the Holy Family, a grouping of stalagmites that look remarkably like the Virgin Mary, Joseph, and the infant Jesus. The giant candle, a towering white stalagmite that glows when caught in the beam of a flashlight. Further along, we enter that locals call the market. Here, the cave walls look less like a church and more like a grocery stall. Look closely at the ceiling and walls to find the corn and cacao, bumpy yellowed formations that mimic ears of corn. The cauliflower, large rounded white clusters that look like fresh produce. The Pegasus, a soaring rock formation that resembles the mythical winged horse frozen in flight. Emerging back into the light, we see why this is called the Philippines' last frontier. The Puerto Princesa Underground River is more than just a tourist destination. It is a symbol of environmental commitment. By preserving this site, we protect over 800 plant species and hundreds of animals found nowhere else on Earth. It is a reminder of the mysteries that still lie beneath the surface, waiting to be explored.
And this concludes our Palawan trip. We went first to El Nido, pangalawa sa Puerto Princesa. This is our last and final day. At mamaya pupunta na kami sa airport para umuwi. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa aming page. Makikita nyo ito sa YouTube, sa Facebook, and sa TikTok, Reels and Shorts. Bye! God bless! Tara! Sama kayo!
Smile, JK!
Mom, may na-picture akong big na monkey. Mami, may na-picture akong big na monkey.
JK, smile! JK!
May na-picture akong big na monkey.
JK, smile! Uy, JK!